Hi everybody, Lance the Option Teacher here. Just wanted to go over the setup for SRX levels. We're going to be doing a live stream at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. Link is in the description down below. Really good alert today. So we did have a negative level here. This would have been a stop out. The second one you could have entered, might have stopped out here. But this is the key alert that we saw right at 9:25 Central or 10:25 Eastern. Saw the up candle, broke through the levels, broke through this previous day high, even went up above the first resistance level, kept going, and then could have easily closed out here. This blue line is the 80 MA, and probably around this candle you could have closed it out. There was a chance you might have closed out here as well for a pretty decent profit. So this might have been a more reasonable one. So you entered around here, around 668. Could have closed it at the 669. Would have made about 20% on that. If you were willing to keep it going, we could have tried to reset R1, and we did. And then we're getting over 100% gain on that. I took a small trade on this. I was actually on the road. So I entered at 1.66, and then I closed it at 1.9. So $34 out of 166. 34 over 166. I made my 20.5% return on that trade, and only took 10 minutes to get the 20%. Phil, who's helped develop this service, was up over 170% at one point. I think he closed it out at around 115% or so. Let's see if I can find it. You'll see that there's a chat log here. And you got 115% on that trade. At one point it was 1.63 enter to 4.48. So really good trade there. Could be used for scalping and for slightly longer trades that are maybe swing trades as well. So really good service so far. I've been doing pretty well with it. Phil's been doing awesome in it. I'm still learning all the ins and outs of the service as well. So again, we're going to talk a lot more about this at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Links in the description down below. And there'll be time for questions and answers as well. So again, Lance, the Option Teacher here. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys tonight.